SMR Quad Stretch. So what you want to do is you want to place the foam roller in between your mid quad and your knee. You want to get into position. You want to make sure that your core is tight and your glutes are engaged so we can keep that spine straight and neutral. We're going to hold it for 30 seconds. And pretty much what we're doing is we're looking for any pains, tightness, irritations, and when you find it, hold it on that area for 30 seconds. Don't just roll back and forth. Lateral hamstring with our TFL IT Band SMR stretch. What we're pretty much doing is we're laying on the sides. We want to keep the extended leg neutral. Come across with the opposite leg to help us move. You want to keep your glutes squeezed and your core tight so that spine stays neutral. We're feeling for any tightness, pains, knots, irritations, and you're going to hold for 30 seconds. Make sure that you're breathing as well. Do not hold your breath. Femoris hamstring stretch. You want to take the foam roller, you want to place it in the mid part of your hamstring. You want to use your hands and your opposite leg to help you move forward and backwards. What we're feeling for is any tightness, pains, or knots. When we find it, we want to apply pressure and hold it for 30 seconds. You can internally rotate your foot. Also turn your body towards that internally rotated side to get a deeper stretch in that hamstring. And you can also externally rotate your foot where you turn your foot outwards and do the same thing. You want to make sure that you're breathing. Please do not hold your breath. And towards the end of the video, you can see I will take my opposite leg and cross it across my knee. And that's if you want to add some added pressure to target that muscle.